Hello everyone, so this is a home robot and I'm going to explain a little bit how it works. So the first thing, I'm sorry about my English, I'm not an English native speaker. So apart from that, as you can see here, this robot is roundish and it works this way. So it has two wheels which can adapt to the height. Okay. It also has a brush which goes round and round and round, and it puts all the dust into the hoover. Okay. This is for the direction, and this is the button on and off. I think that one is pretty obvious. So, okay. So, if you push this button, you can take this off, and you have this plastic box which you can get out easily. Okay. Here is where the dust is placed, and you can open it to clean it. Then you just have to put it back to its original place, which is like this. Okay. Now you just have to put this back. Okay, so this is where you can turn it on, and if not, you can use a remote controller. Okay, so just... Okay, start working, sweetie. Come on.